time we just arrived, si mama kinahanglan magsuot og baga. Magdoble siya kay grabe katugnaw sa gawas. And then tapos isapat tong kuan ma. Oh, does it have a extra jacket? I think she's gonna be fine right now. Canada, Japan. Welcome to the US, ma.
So it said our bags came in on an earlier flight.
What do you mean? How's that happen?
Well, they put it on a different flight.
Different flight?
Because our bags are better than us. We only have one number that it said.
Yeah, but this time my neck hurts. I need a break.
She needs a break, Christian. Pakita sa name, be. Oh my God, sikat ako da. Maayo man. Marnili Hulan.
Did it say my menu, Holland?
Yes.